Hello everyone, this is Richard333 in the middle of the forest with unnatural video, special video. Okay, I'm gonna show you in this video how to find your own pepper in the forest. Okay, so that's, sorry, I speak French. Okay, I can't say oh it's spelled in English. Okay, that's chaton. Okay? In French it is chaton of ormier, chaton d'ormier. In this plant, okay, you make it dry and you ground it, and you can make pepper with it. You can see a receipt. Okay? Basically, all of these is chaton d'ormier, French. Okay? You can see the plant. I don't want to be triangulate, so stay away. But yeah, this is a short plant like this. Got a little branch on it, and I'm just supposed to take like 3 or 4 yards like this by hour, depending on the yield. That's what looked like the fresh one. That's the one you got. That's